Teammate, what in the world? So we just found a toxic player and we're going to give them BTA.
Second toxic player.
What? We're gonna give them BTA. Holy crap.
You know what BTA means?
I know what it means, belt to A.
What?
Or in special terms.
I'm hiding in the train.
Or in real terms.
Wait, it's on the perfect hiding spot.
He can still.
How is he shooting from under the train?
Or in perfect terms, belt to Anyway.
Yeah?
Anyway, let's do this. Alright. Oh my gosh, I just did a quick scope.
I see the other dude.
He has auto on. 178.
I can tell.
Pathetic. Alright. These people that are talking.
No auto, by the way.
We're gonna put them in our place. Even though, hacker, finder deleters, only does hackers. We haven't done one yet because our Discord is a ghost town. And it sucks.
No, I died! No! That's another reason why I don't like this map. Because there's so many places to...
Look, he is toxic. Y'all see it with your own 2 eyes. So...
If I have 2 eyes.
Yeah, if you have 2 eyes. If you have 1 eye, that's actually pretty cool. I'd actually wanna... No, actually I wouldn't. But it's still pretty cool. You're unique. Different than everyone else who has 2 eyes. No. He's just 1 hit. So I'm just gonna...
Let's just mess around with him.
Yeah. But yeah, join our Discord and watch us cook. Maybe not cook, but destroy this toxic player. He's in the blue hair.
Turn off.
I think he's behind me. Yeah, he's not.
The media really place where you can report. No! I'm cooked. That was so close.
Alright, Baka, let's go.
That
Okay,
was such a clutch. Last week. Holy cheats. He just revealed.
Alright guys, I'm gonna heal so I can get back out. 20. They're just hiding up there.
There's only 1 person left. Why are you sitting there?
Eat doodle fart. Anyway, teammate, what in the world? Huh.